We made it to our Overwater Bungalow.
Our time is coming to an end here at this bungalow. It was an amazing experience here. But right now, we're gonna head out to our Overwater Bungalow.
We're here. We're going to Sofitel. I'm so excited. And it's kind of sunny.
Do you have any question?
No, that's all.
Great.
They
My name
upgraded
is
us.
Vinny. Do not hesitate to contact us in Jenny 9 into the room.
They upgraded us. So we were originally staying in like a premium Overwater Bungalow, and now he upgraded us to the luxury Overwater Bungalow for free. So this is a pretty cool place so far. I'm excited. I can't even talk, I'm so excited. I wasn't supposed to do that, but I did because I'm so excited.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Bye.
Thank you, bye. They say the drinks are free?
Yeah, the drinks are free. I'm so excited. What?
Look at that, there's a hole in the ground.
Oh my gosh. I'm like never taking off this necklace because it means that I'm not here anymore, and I'm gonna just leave it on because I'm so excited. Which the bed just looks right out into the ocean toward the other Overwater bungalows, like amazing. Come on back here. Okay, so back here we've got a mini bar, and basically they said everything in here is free for us. They've got beer, some, it looks like sparkling water, yeah, some pop, juice, waters. This is all free. But then come on into the bathroom because the bathroom is amazing. They left us, of course, robes, but I totally forgot about that. And slippers, outdoor kind of shower area. I think you can open these, but I don't know how. So we're gonna have to do that later. Yeah, this is our place, and it's, I don't know what to say. Now that we have fully explored our Overwater Bungalow, we're really excited to get into the water and like just go explore and snorkel and look at all the coral that's literally right beneath our house for the next night. But we're hungry, so we have to go to the beach bar and get some food so that we can fuel our bellies. Unfortunately, it's raining, but the good news is it can be raining and you can go swimming, and that's perfectly fine. So we're gonna go eat and then come back, and if it's raining, we're gonna still go swimming.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be nice out until about 5, and I guess it's not supposed to be nice until 5. I'll tell you what, rain can ruin a sunshiny day, but it can't ruin a happy day.
That's right. Let's go. Hummus, literally hummus, like chickpeas, $24. It's $24 for hummus. That's alright. We're here on vacation, so just this place. Tomorrow we're not on vacation. We go back to our month-long stay. It will be a little cheaper, but today we can splurge and we can do what we want because we're at Sofitel. That's a good pina colada.
It's milky. It's good.
Wow.
Yeah, we ordered a beef caperpache. Came with all these pickled vegetables and a margarita pizza. What is this? This is a beef carpaccio.
Yes, carpaccio.
Carpaccio, and what is that?
This is the beef. Beef carpaccio is crudo.
Oh, okay,
It's
okay,
not
okay.
cooked.
Right.
Ah,
Okay.
It's like a rare
Red, voila,
Ah.
Okay,
And it's very
Perfect.
good. Very, very good.
Nice.
Yes,
Thank you.
it's like, imagine like,
We ordered it, but we didn't know what it was because we wanted to just try it. Thank you. We're going swimming, but it's really, really, really cold. But we gotta do it because we're only here for one night.
3, 2.
I'm really excited to swim here for the entire time that we're around this area. The fact that we're gonna live on the other side of this beach is just mind-blowing, because there's so much activity here. Every single reef has fish all over it. There's so much coral. This is the brightest and most active waters I've ever swam in. It's like magical. It's so real. Unreal. The sun's going down right over this mountain, right outside of our bungalow, and it feels good. I feel complete and lucky. The sun came out. It didn't rain this whole time. There's Tahiti right across the water. That's where we landed. Then we got shuttled across. That's almost it for the sun. We had a good lunch, and the same restaurant was open for dinner, and that sounded like a great idea, but we decided to do room service instead. We're having a fantastic time here, and we decided, why not just eat in the room?
And stay here.
Yeah, it costs like 10 bucks more to order food into your room rather than eating at the restaurant, and it's expensive anyways, so who cares? We decided we eat in the comfort of our own robes and hang out right here. We got some cheesecake for dessert, and I thought they would give us a whole piece, but they gave us that. The lighting's a little dim in here, sorry about that. But then we got this whole tray right here, and we're gonna eat it on our bed like real adults. And we got that is some sort of seafood meal. We're totally stoked, and we're gonna be so cozy in here. Now that's a good finish to an evening. That's a good finish to a day. That's just a good finish. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go snorkeling, and we're gonna change locations just to the other side of this beach. Our time is coming to an end here at this open windows here. This is what was awesome, which you can't see right now, which is fine.
COVID stuff. Precautions on what to do for COVID. Understandable. Jesus. Oh. Which they upgraded us. So we were originally staying in like a premium Overwater Bungalow, and now he uploaded. It's still doing work, but now it's raining already. It's raining already. But that's fine, because like I said, we'll make it work. We could get half spiky lobster for $75.
Wow.
Oh, this one's pissed too. I'm sorry. I'll put you back. We're a little sweaty.
Yeah.
Although I did shower. So that didn't work out exactly the way I planned. I actually, if you can see this, I actually cut my leg. This is the second time I've cut my leg so far today. It's been great.
We got, oui. I don't think that's, okay, well.
Yeah, that's French.
Okay, well,